Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to use Tailwind CSS with React. Follow this URL and click on get started. Now go to the framework guide and scroll down and choose the create React type. These are the commands we have to follow. Now open your terminal and type these commands. So npx create React type and let us give it some name. So let us give it a Tailwind CSS app. Now hit enter. This will take some time to complete, so let's wait. Now it is run. First let us change the directory cd tailwind css app. Now let us first open the VS Code. Okay, now we will run the application. npm start. Now dev server is running. We can access the application. This is the default template we get. So first let us remove this template and type refce, hit enter. We will get some code. So now the application is running. Now let us configure the Tailwind CSS. Copy this command and paste here, and this will generate a Tailwind config file. Now copy this command and go to the Tailwind config file and paste there and save it. Now again copy this code and go to the index.css and paste here and save it. Now let's restart the project. Now again the server is running. Now we will apply some Tailwind CSS. So class name, let us give it a flex, justify center and item center, and let's give some bg color, bg select 500. Now it is coming. So we can add some border and some shadow as well. So let us give border, let us see, and let us give some shadow md. Now you can see shadow is coming. Now let us create one more div. Inside that div, and we'll apply some css, Tailwind css here as well. So let us give it some height and width. Let's type some text. Hello, I am using Tailwind CSS. Now here it is coming. So let us give it some bg color, bg red. Now text is not coming, so we will change the width auto. Yeah, so let us add some padding as well. Okay, some border and some rounded as well, rounded LG. We will add some padding p3, p2. Yeah, and some shadow we can add. Yeah, that's it.